Kanpur police has taken major action after JAS commander Dr. Shaheen's Kanpur connection was revealed. Kanpur police has detained 9 criminals and a history sheeter for suspicious activities. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Siddharth Pratap Singh. Siddharth, we are now learning that the Kanpur police is also conducting its own arrests. They have arrested and detained 9 criminals, including history sheeters, for suspicious activities after this entire Kanpur link was actually established.
Yes, Kanpur police take a major action after Jaise-e-Mohammed Dr. Shaheen Kanpur connection is revealed. Kanpur police detained the 9 criminals and history sheeters for suspicious activities.
All right, Siddharth, please do stay on with us. We are also now learning that Dr. Shaheen's brother, Dr. Parvez, has also been detained by the UP ATS. According to sources, the UP ATS has taken Dr. Parvez to Delhi, where he will now be questioned by the NIA. So, Siddharth, we now know that the NIA is conducting investigation into this entire case, but we are learning now that even Dr. Shaheen's brother, Dr. Parvez, has been detained by the UP ATS. They are taking him to Delhi, where he will be questioned. Give us more details. Siddharth, if you can.
University of Lucknow and being interrogated for alleged role and links into the same network. Dr. Shaheen brother has also detained by UP ATS. According to sources, UP ATS has taken Dr. Parvez to Delhi, where he will know the question by the NIA. Yes.
All right, Siddharth, please do stay on with us. Kanpur Joint CP Law and Order Ashutosh Kumar has said, and I quote, Dr. Shaheen worked as a lecturer in the pharmacology department at JSM College. She taught students, and during that time, what were her activities, where did she go, whom did she talk to, all of it is being investigated. The names that we suspect and those names which came up in the previous riots are also being investigated. It's possible that they have terrorist connections. Let's in fact listen into what he has stated.
डॉक्टर शाहीन यहाँ पर जीएसवीएम कॉलेज में फार्माकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में उन्होंने प्रवक्ता के रूप में यहाँ पे काम किया है, पढ़ाया है बच्चों को, और उस दौरान उनकी जो एक्टिविटीज़ रही हैं उसको क्या रही हैं, कहाँ कहाँ वो जाती थी, किससे किससे बात करती थी, और इस संबंध में हम लोगों ने जानकारी एकत्र करनी चाहिए वहाँ पे कॉलेज में भी की है। इसके अलावा जो नाम हम लोग को संदिग्ध थे पूर्व में दंगों वगैरह में इनके जिनके नाम आए थे, उनको लोगों को खंगाला जा रहा है कि वो किससे बात करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि कोई इनका आतंकवादी कनेक्शन हो। तो इसलिए 9 लोगों को अभी फिलहाल जानकारी के अनुसार उठाया गया है, पूछताछ करके बाद छोड़ दिया जाएगा। अगर उनका कुछ जानकारियाँ मिलती हैं तो वो एजेंसी जो हमारी लगी उनको बताया जाएगा, वो गोपनीय जानकारी है।
सर, जिस तरह से शाहीन कानपुर मेडिकल कॉलेज से उसका संबंध निकल के आया है, क्या इस एंगल पर भी जांच हो रही है कि क्या वो कानपुर में रहते हुए किसी ऐसे संगठन से जुड़ी हो या जो सस्पेक्टेड हो आपके इसमें लिस्ट में, क्या उस एंगल पे भी आप लोग जांच करना और कहाँ तक कुछ सामने आया?
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, वो हमारे पर्सन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हैं और उनके बारे में इस तरह की समस्त जानकारियाँ, क्योंकि बताया जा रहा है कि वो बैंड जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जैश-ए-मोहम्मद, उसकी फीमेल विंग की लीडर थी या जो भी बताया जा रहा है, तमाम बातें न्यूज़पेपर्स में आ रही, तो सबको वेरीफाई करने के लिए ये जरूरी हो जाता है कि हम डीप में जाकर के जानकारियाँ प्राप्त करें।
सर,
Meanwhile, a team of the Haryana Police Crime Branch has reached the residence of arrested Dr. Muzammil. Remember, 360 kg of possible ammonium nitrate, assault rifles and other ammunition were recovered by the J&K police during an investigation in Faridabad on November the 10th. Dr. Muzammil was arrested during the course of this investigation. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Brian Thomas with more details on this story. Brian, now we're learning that the investigative agencies have in fact gone over there. They are at Muzammil's residence again and they are conducting their investigation. Please help us understand the details.
Well, clearly we even filed a exclusive ground report from Dhauj village which is 200 to 300 meters away from Al Falah University. Now, not only that, what we are getting to know, what we even filed the ground report from, where Dr. Muzammil stayed there, and he rented that very apartment that he was staying, and there were 30 other rooms from there. He was staying in room number 15, where he had his belongings. And not only that, Dr. Muzammil had 350 to 360 kgs of ammonium nitrate at that very space. And not only that, the local branch, the local crime team, the crime branch, local Haryana police, they were all there to ensure everything is being properly checked. The room was rented on 13th of September by Dr. Muzammil Shakil, who is also one of the main accused in the terror attack. The property, which is located in Fatehpur Taga village, has 30 rooms, primarily rented to students and professionals, and then Muzammil rented room number 15. The monthly rent of the room was 2,400, that was paid in cash. From that very room number 15, during searches by the CID, by the crime team, around 350 to 360 kilograms of ammonium nitrate and other bomb-making materials were recovered from the room. The explosive stockpile was then alleged part of a larger consignment, total nearly 2,900 kilograms spread across multiple locations in Faridabad and Pulwama. Locals have also said to investigators that Muzammil kept to himself and often received sealed containers and plastic barrels late at night itself. Yes.
All right, Brian, please do stay on with us. We have some more breaking